As a kid, I was told that eating this vegetable would help increase my memory and intelligence. I don't know how true that is, but definitely if you are constipated, this vegetable is a blessing. Are you wondering what vegetable it is? Here it is, lady's finger, or also known as okra or bhindi in Hindi and vendakai in Tamil. Did you know that lady's finger has its origin in Ethiopia, a country in East Africa? Lady's finger belongs to the family Malvaceae. Now you will be very surprised that hibiscus also belongs to the same family. If you see a flower of hibiscus or shoe flower, it resembles the flower of lady's finger. Lady's finger is a popular health food due to its high fiber, vitamin C and folate content. While vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps build immunity, folate plays an important role during fetal development and prevents birth defects. Therefore, consuming lady's finger is very beneficial during pregnancy. The seeds of lady's finger are rich in protein. Lady's finger is also a good source of calcium and potassium. The soluble fiber in lady's finger helps to reduce cholesterol levels and thus is good for the heart. The fiber also helps reduce sugar levels and thus is good for diabetics. The natural slime of the lady's finger smoothly sails down our colon, absorbing all toxins and excess water in its path, which is why it is a boon to prevent constipation and in turn reduces the risk of colon cancer. So, what's the connection between lady's finger and H. pylori? Let's mull over. H. pylori or Helicobacter pylori is a spiral shaped bacteria that is found in our guts. Most of the gut bacteria are very beneficial, but this one is an unfriendly one. The sliminess that we experience when we cut the lady's finger is due to a polysaccharide which has strong anti-adhesive properties. What does this mean? Research shows that this sliminess of the lady's finger prevents the bacteria from sticking to the stomach wall and thus stops the spread of this bacteria. So, regular consumption of lady's finger helps prevent H. pylori infection. Isn't that amazing? So, it is very important to cook lady's finger in such a way that the sliminess is still preserved as in this recipe. So, does this inspire you to increase the consumption of lady's finger in your diet, especially the healthy way? And would you like to inspire your children to increase their lady's finger consumption? Maybe it improves their brain. Do leave your comments in the comment section below. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.